Can you do it? Brinley. Show Mommy what you were doing. Psst. Look at Mom and do it. Is that your puppet? Can you say hi?
What was that?
It's a dumb dog. Can you say hi? Keely, will you hush? Go back over there. Talk to me. Can you talk to Mama? Say hi.
Hi.
What else do you know how to say? Mama,
Mama.
Daddy,
Da.
Mia.
Yeah.
Can you say Keely?
Hmm.
Can you say Keely? Can you say I don't know?
No.
Can you say I don't know? Say it again.
No.
You don't know?
No.
Can you say pee-pee?
Whoa. Whoa.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
What name is this? Ooh.
You think that's your cave?
Yeah. Is it pretty dark in here?
What are you doing?
It's not so little.
Don't know?
It's so little so you can't even fit it. It's not so big. It's not so little. Is that your cave? Yeah. Put your foot in. Put your foot in. Here. Here's a cat. Yeah. Ow.
Is that your meow meow?
Here's my woof.
Can you say meow?
Woof. What is he doing up
Can you
there?
say bye-bye, Bryn? Bryn,
Huh?
say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Will you shut up, Mia? Bryn, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.